Hi guys, welcome back once again to my channel. If you're meeting me for the first time, hi, I'm Fefarater. I'm a kitchen in my mom's kitchen, literally. So in today's video is really unplanned for. I did not plan on filming or doing something, but I just want to be productive and take you guys through. I want to prepare something to eat for breakfast. Who's walking in? Mommy, what are you doing inside? I was like, what are you doing in the kitchen? I told her I was vlogging. So I want to prepare something really quick. Like I said, this video is really unplanned for, but I just want to do something with you guys and cook with you guys. I find out that when I was watching other of my videos, I saw I cook on my channel sometimes, and it has been a while I've not done that. So let me just take you guys through in cooking today. So I'm not really doing anything serious. Let me show you guys. I'm not doing anything. Show my camera right here. So this is a potato. I'm doing potato, and this potato I don't really like this type of. Let me close the window. I think this sound. I don't know if you guys can hear me clear or hear me well. So these potatoes, I washed them already. I washed these two yesterday because I fried yesterday. So I'm going to use potato, and I have eggs. I usually wanted to fold the egg, and this is the only 2 eggs. I can legit finish 2 eggs. This is 2 eggs I want to do today. So let's just get started. As I'm cooking, I'll be jamming with some song, but let me quickly slice all these things out of the way. But let me play song I like. I'm gonna play song I like, okay? But I will not put them here because of copyright issues. But let me go up and play my favorite song and start cooking. Alright. Let me go with this.
I see you standing there. Let's do the atmosphere. Smell of your aftershave. Sweet blossom in the rain. You flip around your hair as if you're unaware, but you should know that I'm looking at you. You make me feel like I'm made of colors. Just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do. Believe in lovers like me and you. Yeah, you just keep on dancing all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do, baby, I do.
Alright, you guys, the lighting changed because I closed the window in front of me so that you guys can hear me clearly. But I finished slicing. the potato. I put salt in it, just basically just salt. And if you don't like salt, do not add salt to it. If you like salt, do add salt to it. I'm not a professional cook or professional chef. I'm just doing this with you guys because I just feel like doing it. I just feel like cooking today and eat with it. So I'm just going to take you guys through the process. Now it's time for me to fry. I'm not doing a deep fry, just a shallow fry. I'm not doing anything really extra, but I'm just going to fry.
Let's do the atmosphere. Smell of your aftershave. Sweet blossom in the rain. You flip around your hair as if you're unaware, but you should know that I'm looking at you. You make me feel like I'm made of colors. Just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do. Believe in lovers like me.
I start eating, I did a couple of things. My mom came up and said I should do some fries for her, I should do some potato chips for her, and I have to do that. So I definitely just eggs, a fried eggs into it, and I have sauce right here for me to eat the fries. So very tasty, very tasty. So let me just start eating. Sorry, I have a glass of Fanta. This is past 12. I'm supposed to use tea to take this, but it's past 12. I don't drink tea, but the weather is really hot now. So I just say chill, something will do, something chill will do. So I just think I can take something chill. So let me test the egg. I'm not really trying it. One thing I don't do is eating without pressing my phone. I always eat and press my phone. This is the time I have to get to be online, shoot chat with you guys, reply some messages, and that is it. And sometimes be on Instagram, just seeing new updates. I'll just use this and touch this. I'm done, you guys. So thank you all for watching this video. I feel like sleeping right now, but I have a couple of things to do after this video. I'm going to edit this and see a couple of things. Thank you for watching this video. If you guys like videos like this, let me know in the comment section down below. Sorry. If you guys like videos like this, let me know in the comment section down below, so I'll film it professionally. I'll show you guys the process of everything. But thank you all. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell button so you'll be notified every time I'm putting a brand new video. Let me drink water so that you guys can click my next video. Quiet, click. Let's watch it before.